Okay, and one thing I forgot to mention, which I'd like to mention at this point now, is when you're actually putting the stripped wire underneath the head of the screw on the light socket, make sure you're wrapping it around clockwise, because as you tighten the screw clockwise, it's going to help to pull the wires underneath it. If you wrap it around counterclockwise and you tighten it clockwise, it actually is working at pushing the wires out from underneath it. So try to wrap it around clockwise. Also, when you have them both attached securely, this will snap into place. And then this piece, making sure that you have this cardboard insert in there. That's what insulates the bare wire to the brass, metal brass. You're going to put it so that the slot cutout is going to fit over where you have your push through switch. And these just snap into place. So once it snaps in, it's basically in. Okay, and then of course this would be on a lamp, but I'm doing this for a demo. To test this, now that it's done, you can't take it home yet. Now you got to test it. So we have a light bulb. Okay, light bulbs are not for students to take home. The light bulbs are just to test the lamps. You can get a bulb at home. Okay, you're going to plug it into a power strip. Very important. You're going to plug it into a power strip so that you're not shorting. If it does have a short in the plug or in the light socket, you're not going to short out the outlets for the shop. And then you're just going to test it a couple of times. Okay, so when it's on, you're going to make sure it turns on and off. Okay, and then when your lamp is working and on, you're going to take a digital picture of your light with the light bulb and the light on, and that picture is what you're going to attach to the Google Classroom assignment to get your final lamp grade for the production of the lamp. Okay, so any questions or problems, you're just going to see me in class and I'll try to help you individually. But between putting the lamp face and base together and then doing the electrical, the lamp will then be completed.